I'm going to show you how to make a charlotte today. It is really good. It's outrageously good. And the best part is you don't have to bake it. It's an assembly cake, but it is tall, it is generously flowing with fruits. Goodbye grocery store cakes. This is the next cake you will make for your child's birthday party. Let's do it.
First, get some freeze-dried raspberries and place them in a spice grinder. Grind for 5 seconds, just enough to turn the fruit into powder, but to keep the seeds intact. Set a fine mesh sieve over a bowl and tap the raspberry powder through. Discard the leftover seeds. We will use the smooth seedless powder to create a rich, luxurious cream. Add granulated sugar and cold, heavy cream to the bowl. Take a whisk and begin whisking back and forth. Whipping cream by hand usually takes about 5 minutes, but with the raspberry powder, it speeds up the process dramatically. You'll have a thick whipped cream in just 2 minutes. The whipping cream is ready when the texture looks thick, and it should look like shaving cream. You will also get these peaks that stand up straight without collapsing. Look at this beauty. I love the bold pink color achieved without any food coloring. The flavor is intense and the cream is so soft and light. To assemble the cake, use a springform pan for easy release. First, grab a little bit of whipping cream and spread a thin layer at the bottom of the pan. I use a spoon, or you can use an offset spatula. Now, place a layer of ladyfingers on top of that whipped cream. You can break the pieces of ladyfingers so that they can fit the mold. The goal is to just have one same layer of ladyfingers. Now add a nice layer of whipping cream over the ladyfingers. We are aiming for about 1 inch in thickness. Use the back of your spoon to spread it evenly. Arrange the ladyfingers upright around the inner edge of the cake pan, lining them closely side by side. Press them gently to help them stand and hold their shape. This step creates the classic, iconic look of a charlotte, tall, rich sides that frame the creamy filling inside. Gently press the whipped cream filling outward toward the ladyfingers, allowing it to fill any gaps. This helps anchor the ladyfingers in place, acting like a glue to hold the structure together. Add a layer of berries inside. Add a layer of ladyfingers, followed by whipped cream and fruit. Repeat this layering process until you reach the top of the cake. Refrigerate the cake for at least 3 hours to give the ladyfingers time to soak up the cream. Bon appétit!